Compatible with all major cable internet providers, including certification by Xfinity by Comcast, Cox, and Spectrum. Not compatible with Verizon, at&t, CenturyLink, DSL providers, DirectTV, Dish and any bundled voice service. Save monthly rental fees. Model C6250 replaces your cable modem and Wi-Fi router, saving you up to $168 per year in equipment rental fees. Speeds by carrier. Spectrum, up to 300 Mbps, Xfinity, up to 200 Mbps, Cox, up to 150 Mbps. Fast Wi-Fi performance. Get up to 1,500 square feet wireless coverage and 25 devices connected with a C1600 speed, up to 1600 Mbps. Versatile connections. 2 gigabit Ethernet ports and 1 USB port give you fast wired connections to your computer, printer, gamebox, storage drive, and other devices. Modem technology. Engineered with 16 by 4 channel bonding and DOCSIS 3.0. Safe Secure. Includes parental controls, and supports WEP and WPA, WPA2 wireless security protocols. The list of supported Internet service providers is available in the Compatibility Guide under Product Guides and Documents section. Top reviews from the United States. Simple setup and fast speeds. I upgraded my Xfinity Internet to a higher speed package, so I decided to upgrade my router as well to handle it. I chose not to use a Xfinity router. I read many people recommending to not use a Comcast-provided router, and got this NETGEAR modem. Before I changed my router, I tested my new internet speed on my old modem, and it topped out at around 100 Mbps, but it jumped to 239 Mbps after installing this NETGEAR modem. Installation was easy, but I did have to call Comcast to get them to finish setting up my new connection. It surprisingly didn't take them very long, maybe 10 minutes on the phone. I was expecting an annoyingly long wait or multiple hiccups. Anyone looking to upgrade their Xfinity Internet package should consider this modem as well.